Texas is a massive state with skies that stretch endlessly and a history full of legendary tales. Here, cowboys aren't just a thing of the past. They represent the spirit of a wild and free land. Wide-brimmed hats, leather boots, and thrilling rodeo events aren't just symbols. They're a lifestyle that still thrives today. But beyond its tough image, Texas is also famous for its strong Southern hospitality. A simple howdy and a warm smile from the locals create a welcoming and friendly atmosphere. What other unique things can you find here? Let's explore Texas. First, there's the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, one of the most iconic events that you shouldn't miss. This isn't just an ordinary rodeo. It's a huge festival combining world-class rodeo competitions, livestock exhibitions, live music concerts, and a variety of Texas-style cuisine. Held annually in Houston since 1932, this event attracts millions of visitors from around the world. The rodeo competitions are packed with action, from bull riding to barrel racing. There's also a high-stakes livestock auction and plenty of family-friendly attractions to keep the excitement going. To make it even better, Houston Rodeo features performances from major musicians, from country legends to modern pop stars. Next, there's the challenge of eating an enormous portion of food. The 72-ounce steak challenge at the Big Texan Steak Ranch in Amarillo is one of the most legendary eating contests out there. It involves finishing a 72-ounce steak, about 2 kilograms, within 1 hour. But it doesn't stop there. The meal also includes a shrimp appetizer, a baked potato, a salad, a dinner roll, and butter. If you finish everything within the time limit, the meal is free. But if you fail, you have to pay $72. Since the challenge started in 1960, thousands have tried, but not everyone has succeeded. Some finish in just minutes, while others give up halfway through.
She did it in under 3 minutes. You did what? That is awesome.
Texas also has a game that's as strange as it is unique. Chicken Shut Bingo. Despite the name, this isn't your typical bingo game. It involves a real, live chicken. Popular in Austin, especially at the Little Longhorn Saloon, the game is simple. A large bingo board with numbered squares is set up, and players place their bets on a number. Then, a chicken is released onto the board, and everyone watches eagerly. The winning number? It's the first square where the chicken decides to drop its mark. From chickens to armadillos, this armadillo race is not just an ordinary spectacle. It's part of a long-standing Texas entertainment tradition. Armadillos, which are iconic animals in Texas, take on the role of athletes in races held on small tracks. Participants usually get to pick their favorite armadillo before the animals are released, and whichever one crosses the finish line first is declared the winner. But don't expect a fast-paced competition. Sometimes the armadillos stop midway or even run in the wrong direction, making the audience burst into laughter. These races are often held at festivals, bars, and community events, including places like Armadillo Palace in Houston or annual gatherings like the Armadillo Races at the Texas Crab Festival. Unique and eccentric. Those are the perfect words to describe the junk king of Texas, also known as Vince Hanneman. He is the mastermind behind the Cathedral of Junk, a massive structure made entirely of discarded items in Austin. Since 1988, Hanneman has been collecting all sorts of objects, ranging from old bicycles and broken televisions to billboards, wheels, and bizarre statues. The result is a cathedral over 10 meters tall, filled with tunnels, staircases, and hidden rooms, all built from junk. What started as a personal project gradually gained attention, eventually becoming one of Austin's most unique attractions. If you enjoy wild, absurd, and action-packed entertainment, then Party World Wrestling, PWR, is a must-see in Texas. This isn't your typical WWE-style wrestling. PWR is an over-the-top version of professional wrestling mixed with comedy, music, and Austin's signature creative madness. Held at various music venues and bars across Austin, PWR features wrestlers with bizarre and outlandish personas. Instead of serious fights, expect dramatic, over-the-top performances with crazy storylines that often include absurd plot twists and direct audience participation. The atmosphere feels like a massive festival, complete with live music, spectacular lighting effects, and plenty of beer. Every year, thousands of people gather at Congress Avenue Bridge, not for a concert or a parade, but to witness thousands of bats emerging from beneath the bridge at sunset. Austin is home to the world's largest urban bat colony, with over 1.5 million free-tailed bats residing under the bridge. Every summer night, these bats take flight in search of insects, creating a breathtaking spectacle. But Batfest isn't just about the bats. The event also features live music, bat-themed costumes, eating contests, and a variety of food stalls. Many attendees even show up dressed as Batman to add to the festive atmosphere.
All in big groups and just wanted to, like I said, celebrate them.
Next, we have Eeyore's birthday party. The name might make it sound like a birthday celebration for the gloomy donkey from Winnie the Pooh. But don't be mistaken. This isn't a children's party. Instead, it's a vibrant, fun-filled hippie festival. Held annually at Pease Park in Austin, this festival first began in 1963 as a small gathering of college students. Over the years, it has grown into a massive celebration featuring drum circles, eccentric costumes, face painting, hula hooping, and even body painting contests. People show up in unique outfits, or sometimes almost no outfits at all, enjoying the laid-back and free-spirited atmosphere. In Texas, homecoming isn't just about the big football game. It's also about a unique tradition called the Texas Homecoming Mum. Students celebrate homecoming by wearing massive mums that are almost as big as they are. So, what exactly is a mum? Originally, it was a simple chrysanthemum flower given as a token of affection during homecoming. But in Texas, that small flower has transformed into an extravagant decoration adorned with ribbons, bells, beads, and even LED lights. Traditionally, boys give mums to their dates, while girls give back a garter, a smaller version worn on the boy's arms. The bigger and flashier, the better. Some students even wear mums that trail down to the floor, decorated in their school colors and personalized with charms representing their hobbies or favorite sports teams. Then, there's the O. Henry Pun-Off World Championships, an annual wordplay competition held in Austin, Texas. Organized by the O. Henry Museum, this event honors William Sidney Porter, better known by his pen name, O. Henry, a writer famous for his witty short stories filled with humor, surprise endings, and clever wordplay. First held in 1978, the competition has since become a major attraction for language and comedy enthusiasts.
Seiko's ready, so I'm going to have to make Seiko.
I feel myself fading away. I feel like I'm going into a France.
The event consists of two main categories. The punniest of show challenges participants to perform a short, pun-filled monologue within a time limit. Meanwhile, Punslingers is a rapid-fire battle between two contestants, where they must take turns responding with puns on a given topic in quick succession.
The investigation felt backed up for a long time, until a witness claimed she identified the superintendent of schools squat in the act.
Texas isn't just about high-energy entertainment. It's also home to one of the most mysterious and unexplained phenomena, the Marfa Lights. This strange phenomenon occurs near the small town of Marfa, Texas, and has been a topic of intrigue for over a century. Locals and visitors alike have reported seeing glowing orbs floating above the desert, shifting colors, moving erratically, and then vanishing without a trace. The exact cause of these lights remains unknown. Some believe they are optical illusions caused by car headlights or atmospheric reflections, while others offer more unconventional theories. Explanations range from swamp gas and electromagnetic energy to mystical stories about spirits guarding the land. Many curious travelers visit the Marfa Lights viewing area along Highway 90, hoping to witness the phenomenon for themselves. Texas's unique traditions continue to thrive due to three key factors: a strong cultural identity, a tight-knit community, and an undeniable entertainment appeal. Texas is known for its go big or go home attitude, which is why traditions like homecoming mom, noodling, and armadillo racing persist. They embody the bold, unique, and deeply rooted pride of Texas culture. Moreover, these traditions are passed down through generations, keeping them alive and ensuring they remain an integral part of the community. The impact on tourism is significant. Events like Bat Fest, the Houston Rodeo, and Marfa Lights attract thousands of visitors each year. The distinctiveness of these traditions sets Texas apart from other destinations, offering experiences that can't be found anywhere else. With the right promotion, these events also boost the local economy, benefiting industries such as hospitality, restaurants, and small businesses selling souvenirs and event-related services.